Bye, shark.
Hi.
Hi, Ren. What do you got?
We have old shark and new shark.
You got two sharks.
Yes.
Wow, you got one blue one and then one great white shark.
That's called.
Okay.
And this is called black white shark.
Great white shark.
With white shark.
Okay, let's go.
We're going.
Okay, you got it ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's open it.
Okay, I want to open this one.
You wanna open that one
open
first?
Yours one.
Okay.
Open yours one. I want this one. I bought this one from a shop.
Did you?
To a shop.
Did you? Okay.
Let's
And who
open-
gave you the money?
Mommy.
Mommy gave you the money. Okay. Take everything out.
Like this?
Yes. Oh,
No,
wait.
that's a
I think it's
robo.
stuck
That's
over
a
there.
robo.
Yes. There you go. Okay, go. There you go. You got it. Oh, you got the shark.
Can it,
I think you need to take it out from the bottom. Okay.
this one can swim by itself. Oh, yours one.
And then I'll open mine. You want to do it together?
Yes.
Okay. Can you open mine too?
Okay. Your one looks cool.
Yeah. Do it from this side. Yeah, that side.
This
yeah.
side?
Yeah. Yeah, take it out.
This side?
Mm-hmm. Do it from the back. Yeah, like that. Yeah. There you go. You got it out.
You got a remote control too.
I got the remote control.
I didn't have it.
Yeah.
Let's swim on the water
And
now.
what about Boini?
Waiting on a turtle.
Turtle. Okay. You got a blue shark and a great white shark and a turtle.
Your
Yeah, can you
one.
pass mine, please?
Okay. There's your
that's
shark
mine.
and your remote
My
control.
remote control.
And I will hold Bonnie's one
Okay.
because Bonnie's on hold. Let's put it in the water,
Okay,
Daddy.
let's put it in the water.
Okay.
You need to take your shoes off.
No, I want to take a shoe.
Okay, okay, you can walk then.
And I'll clean those shoes.
Mhm.
Look, this is where your shoes will not get out.
Yeah. Okay. Go put it in the water.
What was yours one, Daddy?
Can you turn it on, please?
Okay. I want one.
Go get it, and get it.
Daddy, I can't turn it on. Shark!
Wow. Look at the sharks.
Two sharks! Oi! Oi!
Okay, go. There you go.
Look, mine is going. Your one is.
I know.
I need to push it this way.
Okay.
Let me go. Why? Mine coming to you!
What about the turtle? What happened to turtle?
Two here.
Okay. Can you bring the turtle too?
My shark going too far. Your shark going this way. My shark! My shark is going too far. Sharks? Sharks swimming past turtles.
Go, shark, go.
A shark!
It's gonna bite you.
Shark! Oh, not turtle! Shark.
Oh, that shark is over there, and can you bring that? Oh, wait. Look at that one. I think it's trying to find some turtles to eat.
If you put it here,
No.
I will.
Push it, yeah.
Yeah. No. Let's start.
Yeah, over there, yeah. Right over there.
Hey,
Can you do it?
Sharky.
Do it.
Two sharks.
I like the blue one.
I love the gray one.
You like the gray one?
Why? Why the gray one?
It's swimming.
Well, that one can flip.
That's swimming too.
Why this one can flip? Oh. Well, my one can flip.
It's inside the tummy.
it's
That's why.
flipping!
There you go. It's inside the tummy. That's why.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, man. Hey, man. Hey, man.
Woohoo!
Is
What about the? Can you get the turtle too, please?
turtle?
Oh, that shark is going away. That one.
Shark.
Come here. Come here. Uh-oh. He's gonna bring it. He's gonna bring it over.
Shark. Only the blue one.
Bye, shark.
Hey, shark.
It's okay. That one's not going anywhere.
You could
I got a remote control for that.
You can move the door
Mm-hmm.
with the water. You What's wrong?
It's stuck. It's stuck. Okay. Go.
Look at the shark! Shark! Sharky! That one's going this way. Hey, hey. Oh, it's a shark!
This shark is going round and round.
Hey, the shark! Why the turtle
I think the battery's dead.
died?
Yes.
I think it rolled out.
Okay, you got two sharks in there. This one's got the fan in here. I think that one's got under the tummy, inside the tummy.
Ready, steady, draw!
Go! Woohoo!
Sharkies! Ah! There's some sharkies. I know that one's going. Yeah, Daddy!
Get it out! Get it out!
Sharky. Jump! Daddy jumping. Oh no, fix it. Oh, God. I fixed it!
Did you fix it?
Yes!
Can I see it? Oh, good job. Go.
Oh, sorry.
It's working. It's moving. It's swimming.
Ah!
Uh
Oh,
oh.
yeah. Mom, shark is dead. Shark is really going here. No! This your shark.
It's okay. It's gonna come back. What about this one?
It's going down.
Yeah.
Daddy, look.
Yeah.
What's this?
Uh huh.
Let's put something stuck.
And this one's stuck.
Look at this stuff.
What's happening? Oh, this one's got red light. It's a red eye.
Hey, try to go.
Get it, get it. Okay, you got two sharks. Okay,
Let's put it in the water.
okay. Ready, steady, go. Whee! Yeah. Did it fix it? Oh, it's coming here.
No! What?
I like the big one too.
Look at this. Sharky, sharky, sharky. Okay, the shark see me. Ah! The shark gonna take me. Look, Daddy.
Yeah.
Look, Daddy. Two sharks can do this. Daddy.
Yeah.
Good, babe. Looking good. Hey, my shark!
Oh, where's it going?
Bye bye.